Are you looking for the best masticating juicers in your budget? In this video, I'm going to talk about the top 5 best masticating juicers 2022 that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research. If you need more information about these products and their latest prices, please check out the description section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Okay, let's get started with the video. Number 5. Anyone with deep pockets and demanding tastes, this cold-press masticating juicer from Tribust is a highly advanced and feature-rich juicer. Is it worth the money, though? The cold-press juicer runs at a pretty pedestrian 110 revolutions per minute. This ensures that the nutrient profile of your produce is preserved, giving you the full health benefits of juicing, something that not all models deliver. A comprehensive mastication system breaks your ingredients down fully with a mechanism mimicking human teeth. The result is that your fruits and veggies are cut down into small pieces for easy pressing into the juice you dream of. You can do much more than juice with this thing, too. From making sauces, sorbet, and nut butters through to all-purpose food processing, the Tribust is a highly adaptable addition to any kitchen. If you like making larger batches of juice, you can refrigerate what you make in this machine for up to 72 hours without much loss in nutritional value or taste. Highly adjustable, you can fine-tune the amount of pressure required to eject pulp, so you can work confidently with all types of fruit and veg without too much clogging. Now, the Tribust isn't cheap, but if you're hunting for one of the best masticating juicers and you have a fluid budget, we'd strongly consider giving the Green Star Elite a shot. Number 4. If you want a juicer that makes a real statement on the kitchen counter, the Hiram is the obvious choice. Finished in a choice of muted colorways, white, black, or rose gold, the design is sleek and streamlined, making a wonderful addition to any minimalist kitchen. How does it perform under the hood, though? Well, just like the Omega above, you get the speed dialed right back to 43 revolutions per minute. Speed is not your friend when it comes to juicing, and the slow action of this model helps you to preserve the taste and nutrient profile of your ingredients while also benefiting from a silky smooth texture. The capacity of 17 ounces doesn't give you too much leeway if you need to cater for the whole family. That said, you can blitz up your juice so quickly that the reduced capacity certainly isn't a deal breaker. Also, you gain with the small footprint, making this a neat choice for crowded kitchens or apartments. The portable nature of this model means it would also make a good option for the RV. All that does come at a cost, though. While we feel you get reasonable overall value with this model, we would also say that you can find comparable juicers without spending this much, so only you can decide whether you feel the price tag is justified. Number 3. Decided that the vertical masticating juicer makes the best fit for your kitchen. The ever-reliable Omega serves up a hard-hitting model well worth popping on your shortlist. The strength of a product's warranty typically shows the confidence the manufacturer has in the product, and this juicer is covered for a class-leading 15 years. This should tell you all you need to know, as Omega clearly don't expect to be losing out when they offer this guarantee. Aside from that impressive lifespan, you'll get a feature-rich juicer that's also a joy to use. Running at super slow speeds of just 43 revolutions per minute, this juicer shows that the slow approach works when it comes to creating the most nutrient-dense and appetizing juice. If you frequently juice large batches and want to run your juicer continuously, the automatic Pulp Ejection makes this possible without you needing to attend to this job manually. The very gentle action in place on this juicer helps to keep the enzymes in your ingredients intact. Throw in very little heat buildup and a low rate of oxidation, and the result is juice that tastes sublime and stays fresher for longer. Once you're done juicing, auto cleaning takes all the sting out of packing up. Pour your juice and enjoy. Number 2. This dual-speed masticating juicer hands you the ability to deal with hard or soft fruits, separated the juice and pulp efficiently. The result is clear and pure juice with a lower rate of oxidation. Enjoy your juice at its best, and it will also stay fresher for longer. The feed tube is quite narrow. This will encourage you to properly chop your produce and/or remove the seeds and peel that would otherwise impart a bitterness to the finished product. The 150-watt motor is agile enough to power this juicer at the slow speed required to enhance extraction. You'll also find it runs pretty quietly. One-touch disassembly streamlines cleanup. Kiss goodbye to the idea of scrubbing away for hours thanks to the dishwasher-safe components. Alongside a 3-year limited warranty, you'll also get 10-year coverage on the motor, giving you total confidence at the point of purchase. When you consider the remarkably keen price point of this juicer, you can't really ask for much more. Number 1. Our overall favorite masticating juicer comes from Omega with this complete nutrition system. While it's not especially cheap, we couldn't find any users complaining about value for money. How does this thing shape up, then? Off the bat, you get the low speed you need to extract all the nutrients from your fruits and vegetables without the heat buildup or oxidation that can blight the juices generated by cheaper centrifugal juicers. Running at 80 revolutions per minute, you'll enjoy a juice just like you'd normally travel miles to buy at your favorite cafe without needing to leave home. Despite the power of the motor, this juicer runs deceptively quietly for an appliance of this nature. While you still get some noise, it's certainly not enough to disturb the neighbors. A complete nutrition system, you'll have far more options than just juicing. From extruding pasta and grinding spices through to making baby food or ice cream, one small appliance helps you do it all. The end cap is highly adjustable, giving you 5 options for juicing, helping you to maximize extraction and output. Benefit from continuous juicing and automatic pulp ejection to ice the cake. For a great all-rounder that's precision engineered and built to last, you really can't go wrong with this masticating juicer from Omega. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please don't forget to like, comments, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Hope to see you guys in the next video.